Today's video is on my living room Christmas decor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you around and show you how I've decorated the living room for Christmas. Now I'll tell you a little bit about what I've done here. I call this a winter wonderland. And at the top you can see I have added a lot of spikes to my topper. And I'm using gold, white, and silver. I have also added the swag and added little jewels to it. And I have it wrapped around my complete tree, front and back. My theme is actually Winter Wonderland, and what's in the Winter Wonderland is all of the reindeers you see around the tree. I have also added the netting over the snow just to give it a different look. The little ornaments you see here, I purchased those last year from Goodwill, and I love them. They had about 30 of them, so I placed them all over the tree. I made my swag from curtains, and I've just added the jewels to it, and I purchased those from Hobby Lobby. The reindeers were from Burlington. The large reindeer was from Kohl's. The joy signs were from Hobby Lobby. And the little silver reindeers were from Burlington's. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this living room reveal. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. I will be doing a full house reveal once I get all of the rooms decorated. Again, I say thank you for all of your support, and I will be seeing you all in my next video.